Now you've probably seen this one before, people planting seedlings in eggshells to give it plenty of calcium as it grows and develops. It's a common trend that you'll find in YouTube shorts or TikTok. A quite annoying gardening hack that just seems to never let up. Now it's true that eggshells do contain calcium, but the way people are suggesting to use them in the garden isn't quite gonna work.
No way!
Eggshells are made mostly from calcium carbonate, the basic compound that you'll find in agricultural lime. So the thinking is pretty simple. If I add eggshells to my soil, then the plants are gonna get more calcium. And we know calcium is pretty important for plant growth. It builds strong cell walls and healthy tissues. And on the surface, well, it sounds like a fantastic idea, doesn't it? Put your seedlings in an eggshell, it'll act like a little pot and provide your plant with all the calcium that it needs. But there's a catch. There's always a catch. Eggshells, they don't dissolve quickly in soil. They take a long time to break down through the natural soil chemistry and microbial activity, and that process, frankly, can take months or years. So if your plant is suffering right now from calcium deficiency, crushing eggshells into your soil or growing your little plant in an eggshell, like we see many times ad nauseum on platforms like TikTok, isn't going to do nothing to fix that deficiency. One common issue that we've all likely encountered at times is blossom end rot, that hideous black spot that ruins our dreams of a perfectly formed tomato. A lot of people assume that that's caused due to a lack of calcium in your soil, but it's more often caused due to inconsistent watering habits. When plants can't move water properly through their tissues, they also can't move calcium, even when it's already in the soil.
I'm gonna need some water here.
Hence why a lot of these calcium treatments are often sprayed directly onto the foliage so they can get direct absorption. So are eggshells actually beneficial for your garden? Well, to be fair, sprinkling crushed eggshells in the garden isn't harmful. Chemically speaking, they're pretty stable and they're not going to tie up the nitrogen in your soil the way some organic matter would do, like adding coffee grounds directly to your soil. And if you haven't watched that video, then click on the little link that's just popped up here. Another gardening myth exposed. In heavier soils, they might even help by adding a little bit of grit and drainage, especially if you maybe blend them up first into a fine grit using like an old coffee blender. It turns out that the best place for your eggshells is actually the compost bin. In time, they'll break down and become part of the soil system. And if you want them to break down extra fast, then crushing them prior, even blending them with a coffee grinder, as we said just before, is going to help speed up that process. You might also hear people say, well, crushing them and sprinkling them on the top of your soil surface is going to help keep slugs away. And that's a good thing. Some gardeners swear by it, and it seems to be an eternal debate whether that actually works or not. Many people say once the eggshells get wet, it doesn't do much in the way of stopping slugs getting to your plants. And I tell you what, I would love to hear what you guys have got to say about that, and it'll be a great help for anybody watching this video. So eggshells, well, they're not useless in the garden. It's a valuable ingredient to build healthy soil structure. And that's like most things in gardening, it's the long game. It takes time. And if you are wanting to grow your plants in a disposable, biodegradable pot, well, this is not the hack for you. This is absolutely rubbish. That wasn't a real plant in there. I just stuck a bit of mint in there just to let you know. For you guys who stayed to the end, look, it's not even got any roots on it, so, you know, nothing was lost. Anyway, you could use an old toilet roll and you just fold up the ends, and I've used them as disposable pots in the past, and to be honest, I think that's rubbish as well, but it's much better than the eggshell. It's much better than the eggshell. I just grow mine in plastic pots that I can reuse many, many times. If you want to see another gardening myth exposed, make sure you watch the next video that's just popped up here, what the science says about using coffee grounds in our soil. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a single thing. I would love to hit 1 million subscribers one day before I'm all old and grey and ready for glue factory. So that would be an immense privilege if you could hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.